So we got the 50 pack of velvet hangers. This is what I'm going to get to allow my clothes to hang smoothly. These are at Sam's Club. I think they'll be pretty cool. They are a fashionable hook hanger. So we're gonna get one of these. Yes, your friend wanted. You said hi.
Please scan your item.
Oh, baby, hi.
I missed you.
Deer has a whole Instagram. Alright, so we're at Home Depot. We just got these adjustable closet rods. They are for the closet. We have little Miss Dior right here. She's being a brat, already getting people to touch on her as she's climbing out of the bag. But we are making progress, and we just need a watering plant. That's it. Or a watering can. This is how, first of all, Dior's on a complete leash in here, just roaming around. But this is how I feel like stuff is meant for me. So I literally came in here for 4 rods. Hi. I literally came in here for Dior, stop. For 4 rods. She's running after customers. And I literally have 4 rods. So this is perfect because this is exactly what I needed. And I'm taking the remainder in stock. So thank you for having what I need. Hopefully in the future I need like 4 of those instead for all of my clothes. But hopefully I'll be like donating or something by then. But I am happy that we got exactly what we needed. And my girl Dior. Girl Dior. You are such a good girl. Look at you. Hi, good girl. I'm trying to make sure we don't get her throat cracked and stuff. Like, hey, girlfriend. Do your treat? Do your treat? Do your treat?
Maybe you have one for the road.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Treat?
Can I pet her?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so we're finally home, and this is the closet that I'm going to show you how to make today. So we started with a ton of pieces. I actually purchased 4 bookshelves to create this dupe of the Ikea Pax wardrobe closet. You would also need at least 4 of the closet rods, a drill, screwdriver to go ahead and complete this. So let's get into it. So I think that these are like kind of complicated because none of the bookshelves actually have letters on them, but everything in here has letters, right? So what I ended up doing in order to determine like what goes where is I look at the pictures and like boom, like when you got here you can see that there's 3 dots along there. You can see that these are going into the outer, but then the little tool that we used before goes into the inner. So you can kind of do like, you know, match up by picture compared to letter, because I don't, you know, I didn't see the opportunity to do so. So I'm on my 3rd box right now. This is what I came up with so far. An important step that wasn't shown here is I did go ahead and put the bars in between, like I drilled them in between before I put the last piece on, as you could. Super excited to actually see my vision come to life. I definitely did want to put the closet together just because, being that I've started hosting events and doing a little bit of hosting, I've decided that it's probably best for me to be able to see all of my clothes, so that way I can be able to put outfits together easily. So after the store runs and bringing everything in the house, I actually was very tired when I started recording yesterday, although I was dancing. So today we're gonna try this again. Whoa! Fudge! Now, I definitely don't feel like I should be doing this by myself, but one thing I can say, ladies, is when we put our mind to something, we can actually get it done. So therefore, it's like sometimes we have to take out that time to do something for us. For me, this is what I wanted. This is what I've been wanting. So I went ahead and I put my Bob the Builder hands on and I made it happen. And so can you. If you got any questions, let me know. Leave a question below. We can go ahead and get your closet made also. I only paid about, it was a little less than $300 for this. Granted, the Ikea Pax wardrobe closet alone is over like $1,300. So this is definitely a savings. And if you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know what type of content of mine that you enjoy watching. Alright, so I kind of messed it up here. I was trying to literally set it right on top of this one, upside down, and it flipped right over. So the other leg came off. It's now off, and I think what I'm gonna try to do instead, if all fails, I'll just make this like a shoe rack or something with shelves and make the rest of these clothes, because this is crazy. I can't believe I did this. I'm so hurt for real. So now what I'm doing is I took like a regular bookshelf. If you notice that the bookshelf had these little like flat pieces that rounded in them. What I'm doing now is I'm lining this up with the other, the default shelf, and I'm creating the holes the same exact way. So then that way it's easier to re-put back my shelf. So hopefully this works. I've never tried this before, but taking a shot. Looks like my method works. Now for the last step, what we want to do is drill both holes into the wall and the bookshelf. And then at that point, you don't have to worry about like your shelves tipping over once you have your items placed on there. So I did use a longer screw to go into the wall just to make sure that my bookshelves are nice and sturdy. So right now I have like, a couple of different hangers on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the velvet ones. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually a fan of these. Like I like how, if I push everything together, it's now flat. Even the same as like these two items here, if I push them together, it now lays flat. Versus, you can have them apart too. So I've actually never really decided to grab like row hangers before. I've always had like those or the plastic ones from Dollar Tree or Walmart. But I really like these. And like I said, I got them from Sam's Club. It was a total of 50 of them in a box, but this is only half of them. So my closet is coming together so far. I really like it, but I probably won't really show too much more of it just because I don't want you guys to see everything that's in my house. But you can kind of see the closet comes together like that. So I really like it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you're going to try to put your own closet together or what you really like about this one. As always, Lady Ro and Dior is here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.